Go.
Okay, so here's what we know. We have 70 degrees down here on an isosceles triangle, which if you turn it and look, there it is. So if this is 70, what is that one? You should know. Right. So I don't know if we need to know that yet, but this is an isosceles triangle, and this is x. And what they want us to find is x. And I know that doesn't look like an x, it looks like a plus. So let me make it an x. Sorry. Okay, so this is x. All right, so I need to get from here to here. So actually, I do need to know this. If this is 70, then this is 70. And this is going to be your triangle sum theorem, because I need to find out these two angles. So I'm going to go from here, and I'm going to say this is y. Well, no, I don't need to know this is y. This is 70. This is y. Sorry. So I'm going to take 70 plus 70 plus y and make it equal to 180. Okay, 70 and 70 is 140 plus y equals 180. And now I'm going to solve for y. Once I get down there, I'm going to take y, and you guys know this plan because I'm not going to do it all for you. Okay, I'm going to say that this, guess what, is a vertical angle. So once I know this one, I know this one. X, this is a isosceles triangle too. So if you look at it and cover this one up, if I know this angle, I know this one. It's the same. Okay. So I'm going to take y and add it to y. I'm going to go up here, take y plus x, and they're going to equal 180. Well, I know y once I found it out here. Okay. And I'm going to substitute it in, plus x, and then solve for 180. And then your answer is going to be x is something. Okay. So does that help you guys without totally giving it away?
Yeah, that actually is helping me understand it a lot more. Yeah, because you having to go step by step is like reminding me on how to do it, and it's helping me.
Right. The hardest part is knowing where to start. Once you get your ideas of saying, okay, I know this, I know that, then it's much easier. So, and if you guys are chatting with me, I can only see one. Well, wait, maybe I can see this one. It's hard for me to show everything or to see everything. So, okay, so then who asked me, let's see, you want 3 and 7 and 8, or number 7 and 8, the same answer. Oh, I have no idea, I haven't tried those. Okay, so if somebody's tried them. Mr. Rivas, do you know the answer is 7 and 8 are the same answer? Number 7 and number 8.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah, let me look at number 8. Okay, hold on. Work on it.
All right, somebody asked me to do number 3, so I'll do that. Does everybody have this one? Because I don't want to move it until everybody has it.
Yeah, I have it.
Okay. You got the same answer for both as well. Okay, so Serena got the same answer for both as the other person was asking, so that's okay. Serena, do you still want me to do number 3? Because I'm happy to do it. Because somebody else might be stuck on 3 too. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say your name. I don't want you guys to feel embarrassed. Okay, so let's set up 3. Because it is a triangle. Now we're solving, remember, we're solving for x still. We're not getting an angle. So we're going to do, and in this one, we don't know what kind of triangle it is because it doesn't tell us. So I'm just drawing, so don't assume based on the drawing that it's anything. I'm just drawing. So what we know is that this is 75 degrees. Excuse me, this is 60 degrees. And this is x plus 56. Okay, so again, the triangle sum theorem, all 3 add up to 180. So you're going to take 75 plus 60 plus x plus 56 and make it equal to 180. And what you're trying to do is find x. So you're going to take your like terms, and notice I'm including the plus because they're all positive. Okay, and you're going to combine them. And gosh, I don't know what that is, so I'm going to get out my handy dandy calculator because I don't want to have to try and make my brain hurt. So I'm going to say 75 plus 60 plus 56. So I got 191. Okay. And it doesn't matter if you have 191 plus x, it's all the same. It's all going to turn out the same. And then you're just going to do the math. And yes, you will get a negative number. And that's okay because you're not solving for an angle, you're solving for x. So don't let that freak you out. Okay. This is actually going to be negative 11 for those of you needing an answer, but that was already given. Does that make sense? How I got that? In case you didn't see it, you would subtract 191 from both sides, and then you would get negative 11.
Now notice for this one, we only use one idea.
Yeah,
If you had
you
all,
only had to use one theory.
so that's problem 1, 2, 3. They tend to be easier. Focus on those first and then work your way to the difficult ones, okay? This one, what makes it good is only one idea. That's what you're doing.
Okay, so we have the answer for number 7. So let me do 8 real quick. We have 5 minutes. Let me do 8 and let's see if we get the same answer for 8 as we got that the worksheet says is for 7. Okay, so everybody have this one. I'm going to, oh, somebody wanted me to explain number 6. Okay, do the people that needed 7 and 8, do you still want me to do 8 or can I do 6? You tell me.
There's something about 6 that I need to understand because the 90 degrees, I got a little confused there.
Okay, let me do that one real quick, and then the 7, 8 people, if you want to stay on, I'll stay on a little bit longer because I know we're getting close to the end of class. Okay, so let me draw 6. It is a 90 degree with a cut between it. So, okay, so then we have, it's supposed to be a, okay, so we have this, I got a little crazy here. This is number 6, and we're still finding the value of x. So,
Miss, can you go? Never mind.
sorry, yeah, I know. When I draw, I forget to show you all my stuff. Okay. I don't make fun of my drawing, even though I'm using a ruler, it's still bad. Okay, so what do we know? We know that this is a 90. We know that this is isosceles, this is your base. So if this is 69, so is this one, okay, because they're congruent. We know that this is an isosceles triangle, it's upside down. So these are the base angles that are the same, and I'm going to symbolize that, okay? So in knowing that, you're still going to use triangle sum theorem. X is on the outside here, though. So the thing you're going to use here, X is on a line. So you're going to use the linear thing here. Okay. So this one's a little more complicated. You got to go around. So I'll do that for you so that you can see. And we'll do color coding really quick. Okay, so I'm going to make this y because it's easier. So if I take 69 plus 69 plus y, I get 180. I'm going to combine my like terms, okay, which gives me y plus 9 is 8, carry the 1, 12, 38. Okay, and then you'll get y. And I know I'm losing a lot of space, but I'm showing you this. Okay, so y is here. Now, y is part of a 90. Okay, so let's make this b. Y plus b equals 90.
Miss, can you zoom out a little bit?
Zoom out a little bit, yeah. Is that better? Okay, so y goes here
Yeah,
plus
thank
b.
you.
And then you're gonna solve for b, and we don't know what that is. But we do know that b plus, let's make this f, b plus f equals 180, and I need that to find x. So this one's kind of complicated. So I'm going to take b, actually b is green. Eeks. Okay, I'm going to take b, and I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to say b plus f equals 180. Well, I know b once I find it out here. Okay. All right. Now I have to solve for f. This is the long one. Okay, combine like terms. I'll get f. Whoops. Eeks, I don't know the answer. I lied. I was going to put 180. F is not 180. Okay, now I have f. Okay, f is part of this linear pair. So now I'm going to say f plus x, and this goes here, equals 180. Once I know f, I can fill it in and then subtract it from the other side, and that'll give me x, which is what I wanted in the first place. And can you see that? Okay, let me zoom out so you can get the whole thing. Right there, okay? Does that help with number 6? Because 6 was triangle sum theorem, 90-degree theorem, right angle theorem, triangle sum theorem, and then linear pair. Kind of crazy, I know. But for those that asked, did that help? I hope.
Yes, it did. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay, so 7 and 8. Do you guys still want me to do 8?
Yes.
Okay, let me do 8. I'll do 8 real quick. Everybody got this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is 12:46, so if you guys don't need it, you can go ahead and go because class is over. But I'm going to do 8 real quick for those that wanted it. So 8, let me do this one really quick. If you don't need it, you can go. Have a good lunch. We'll see you Wednesday. Okay. And this one is like this, and this one is like, oh gosh, this. Okay. All right, here's what we know. We know that this is this is supposed to extend. My bad. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Okay. All right, this is 112. Okay, you have this side and this side, so these base angles are going to be the same. Okay. Then you have a 90 degrees here. And then these two are the same. So these two, because they're isosceles triangles, and then you have angle 2. And it is asking you to find the measure. No, it's asking you to find x. So, and we know that the measure of angle 2 equals 13x plus 17. Okay, so here's how we're going to start. We need to know what this angle is. This is a straight angle. Okay, so this is part of 180. All right, and whatever we get for this one, so I'm going to turn it orange, okay, is going to be the same as this one. So how we do that is we take 112 plus y equals 180. Okay, you'll find y, and that's here. Okay, now I don't know what answer we're getting because I haven't done it yet. So I'm just showing you how to do it real quick. Okay, then you take y, and this is also y, plus b, because we don't know what that is, and that equals 180, because it's the whole triangle. And we'll take, oops, wrong color, y plus y, because we know these, plus b equals 180. And then we'll solve for b. Okay. B is going to be part of this pink here, but we're solving, we have to take b, and we're going to move it over here. And we're going to take b plus f and make it equal to 90, because that's a 90-degree angle. And this will be not, this will be f, which is the same as that one. Okay, so b is here, plus f equals 90. And then you get f, and now it's going to be green. Okay. And then you're going to take, and you don't need to know this angle here. This angle here is also, guess what? A linear pair. So you just have to take f plus angle 2, and then it equals 180. And then you substitute in f plus measure of angle 2 is 13x plus 17, which equals 180. And you're going to combine your like terms, which will be this one and this one, and then you'll solve for x, which is what you wanted in the first place. Mr. Rivas, were you able to tell us number 8 and number 7 have the same answer?
Well, they look about the same. The angles look about the same size.
Okay, let me tell you real quick. I'll tell you guys if it's the same answer. So 180 minus 112 would give me 68. 68, 180 minus 68 minus 68. This will be 44. 90 minus 44. This is 46. 46 plus 17 equals 63. 180 minus 63 divided by 13. Oh, that's not right.
No, you forgot
180.
minus 80.
63 divided by. This should be 9 if I did it right. Let me make sure. I think this is 9 and number 7 is 9. Yes, they are the same answer, you guys. So that's a long explanation for yes. Sorry about that. All right, any other questions before we let you guys go? Thank you for hanging in there. Sorry it took so long. Anything else?
It's reminding me
Miss.
Yeah, we have tutoring tomorrow at 7:40, so make sure you're here. Yes.
Can you show the steps for number 6 again?
Yes, I can. I absolutely can. Here's number 6. And he'll have it on video too. He'll put that up. And then please show up to tutoring tomorrow.